Etie for Mamachu Nkontabuo Jumedie na masuguso a wotie wa Asempa FM 94.7 na samre do eja na wafre onua na otumi nso etie bi na eja na wafa aba kakra wo na enede ne dama power so say ade dama power so no ye ahonkyere na yemu bebre amafo ho kyerɛ mo na ade na kosa ho kyerɛ ne de na be adwen ba na ebefuma ebetumi afa because amafo ho kyerɛ mo business mu na ebi so ho kyerɛ mo one personal finances mu na obebisa ho say de ne buy because one of the key reasons ne say ho kyerɛ wa bibi na man buy o it say o yem pesem kakra ne hu baby free potokasa say ways to overcome financial crisis nti na crisis ne dey crisis ne ye bibi bia ahonkyere na ye leading into financial crisis because your crisis be form of crisis be but here Nkontabuo de bedwudwam wo sikasem side no na ye ka se ahonkyere ba se crisis se business e ni crisis no be hu se ura wo crisis mu se meke na ECG for ba adwuma mu ho ana say any other expenses e fa adwuma no odwuma na wo ye no ne sikasem ne expenses e mraso say ntuaka say work simple employees say no ma ye adwuma na bosuma so no bia any da so say na katua ba say e peka dia akọ baby akoye adwuma nso ye nye sika na dia to petrol mu ato petrol ka no enti say onua ohun say u business na wo ye no any time bia bosum bia no say ba ne say betua workers ka ahonkyere wo ho a sa so na say ba ne say ye be any expenses concerning the business ahonkyere ba ye honkyere pa dia ene je say onua wotie me say o ye real crisis no so suppliers krata masoso mba obetu omoka no na yenye ne kira yenye next week yenye ne kira me nka say crisis the new one of and they say last month penny but say ye dia consistent just say January happy February happy March happy April so be happy dia no I recognize say crisis mu because lack of recognition say bibi mu no and also to me create more problem for you ebi wo wa ho chen to me basa na wo yi bibi e wo dwuma mu akoton wa wonim say machine way and a laptop way and say bibi way no bibi ehia pa but ho kira ba na ekogye mu aton say wa adwin say almost every now and then you see a ton bibi efa adwuma no ho a na eton obi nya bibi kakra ba no ho dia and just ye wo crisis mu because ya anton a asembeba inte adwuma mu obi wo ho a adwuma bi wo ho a obi ho na machine bi si o ana se bibi wo o kira kra hu biom ebi kra tumi titi niema no kra otisu etsin dia onua no ton niema no kokoto free no no because no na achi no ena ba personal finance kra de bobo unze mu bebre ho a yentumi mfa soso ento adwuma no expenses ena yanso expenses minise adwuma ne di wo but esizo kai hu se adwuma no na edi sika ne ba inte adwuma no na expenses de emne bia no wa try say obe separate into bonus obi ho a na ono ankasa no expenses wo ho ono nipa mu no sebi or do be fair bush for, or do be fair ma, or do be fair yere. Unless any group no muyo one side. Enti because I know children no, or to me edin sika, edin sa a bo jumanum sika no atwini say yo. Ebu okra no na ka why or the sika be see baby. So or the sika be see baby but them the way I didn't have no wakotwi saa de no abem. Ebu okra na onam ho no onya crisis because every by say business some more de kakra say obi betu nufo so mfa bi mfanye savings ana so mfa bi nkoye mutual fund ana say mfa bi kwa nkoto treasury bill kra no wanyo. And because of that no ahoche ne buy no oni any fallback bia juma bie ni wa o ya se be ko trenko a eye dan ahochire beba demo nhumwa mwa no de we abobo aho no ena bema wotumi overcome crisis na edien na ma businesses etumi ehusa. So first one am boss no ni me bi esisi ahun say o crisis no but the diem pa na be mo bi akọ crisis no yenyu no hwe ebi wo wa na aye kasakasa obi akato oh yentade no so dia ozu kembe no so yentade ususu ai o store no mu amu nyama na enim nyese yentade nyama nim because unni sika kran wa kofa bi begum na dia na koso obehwe no first thing eye okofa na me bia sebi ehunni mfaso oti se obi ka se o ade we ye topa wa nye mpese mu na akofa na de begu Edian Tony Sano, na onuana oji busia de kotoe no, ukutu aneka no. Busia foni jonsika. Te ya obewurem. Ntubo hu se hu achiru ni na ye ebribi etwa mu no decision bi a wo take ye. Na potokasa yesi any situation bi a ye nyina ewo mu no. It is as a result of yesterday's decision. Inti decision bia obe taken no obenya ho sunsuaso no the following day. Inti aba financial decision anytime our crisis bia no twa ukwanchi kakra na hwe obehu se eye decision bia we take na no no nti na ewo sa etibia mu no. Se owo card da no obi aba ka kiro se o fa kai na fa better in near my new car na to a difference ususu car ya okwa ko trade in we use no only 1 year pe another 2 years but latest abenti so person mama fu afiko do ko trade in car ya additional amount na ye gi no say na ye sika bia odi to ho for my school fees. Eye sika bia wo de to ho for adwuma no improvement. Eye sika bia wo de to ho for supplier deposit. Eye sika bia wo de to ho say o customer no ni sika. Eye sika bia wo de to ho for insurance. Intibo hu sa no na sa decision no a wo take ye no a o de sa sika no koto car no a ene air fresh obi etwi obi aka so o ka efe no enu na du ko wura ahoche no mu ebi wo wa na wakoje busia bi o bank busia na wakoje wo bank no o ti say ye bohu de ro ewo radio so tv so anase na dafu kra na e ka kire no onye na adwi say okoje busia but ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔdidi na obi kan no so obusia we de efu na odi America ekɔgye bi na wakɔgye bia because say ɛyɛ fu no a wotisa amanfo di nko no wakɔgye bi ukɔgye ye no unni bibia botai bia ɛwɔ sika no so enti hu ya na ndakɔ bibia enye sika so de edi famiko ntubu wa da money a wakɔgye na ebusia no a obetua no obi kura agye busia de kɔtɔ treasury bills ebi kura agye busia e de kɔ their savings ni a utimi. There is absolutely no way savings no and as a treasury bills na okɔ akɔtɔ no ehun faso na obenya no tieni yo ehun faso na obenya fi sa savings no and treasury bill no ebeye more than insihu no a obetua o loan na akɔgye ye no. There's absolutely no way. Enti hwe na wan kɔgye busia na so makɔgye busia minister bi adamachi na akɔtɔ savings say a card which yes can da wachi because savings now akoye no fixed deposits no akoye no treasury bill rate akoye no interest na beg da so no enso repayment na obitua busian mu enso na enso chira because sanka ebeso a aka free say onua na obo busian on the ontumi koto treasury bill ni bi anaso onua na ontumi koto savings and loan fixed deposits ni bi anon to first scan ko to ska krabia ye to scan ko no do ma ade we ni middleman konyo enti transit na ye calculation na wan ko didi amanfo echi na wan ko invest into adebia ebusia na boy enu na obenwa na busia fo no ba ebeju sika no a ebe push into crisis. Definitely be pushing to crisis. Emo seka wo ye adwuma anase onya mfaso e na wo tibi to ho na de koye the fixed deposit thumbs up and the why idea na se okoje busia pa free obi ho unless busia na akwagoje onua no onji si hu so po asem kwan de so okojo ene beje busia na edibusu miensa na onye sika na no de breme ene de mefo awso sa sika no a nsihu ni hu no na atom nsem na office obedi no de faculty treasury bill na say faculty fixed deposit anye hwe kra no nsihu kakra beba basa okobobusi an nsihu ho de Nkontabuo krachi se menye bi da menye eno no na ebi mu aye in the past abahu se ene omunya financial crisis on woman. Another key point in say na edwuma mu we edwuma no ye no emfa ho bebi a edwuma no ewo because na edwuma no kra bo so na phone calls and I say online inti sometimes kra o customers kra no phone calls nkwa no mo frɛ inti ehu yes kra say bebi a bewo mo fanche me ehu ehia say bebi a bewo no ane so nua ne frɛ ya na phone call no atom nanso what take a decision say instead say obetra kaneshi odoko da akoma omo kran no ana so obetra bebi a convenience say takrade oti bebi a ye kakra no osore a akotra windy bay akotra bebi an boarding akotra osu laboni na o yes adwuma no rent a obetua wo sa de no no ebe count dachi inti enu na ubon say 3-4 months 5 months down the line no ubon no nya crisis because rent high, electricity in that area ebe ko high because Baum is a down woman cram from the air conditions in Tebayu. And a baby out to cry now with few fee, afaka ako, and our small baby crown and this baby. It is sometimes no decision be a you take key and run. And who's on the years of Adam. It is a band business and I say band personal finance business in India. And the guy who say, obey person kakra, obey research kakra, because Sika now did the agro. Sika so the odi agro, a do be the agro. Into owner, who be a, or say, I want good man, why am motum? Because o kwedwuma ye bedanika. O trefiswa ye ba bedanika. Intino puto yare. Tubo hunu ida se plesta etarenenim ni nine ni ti. Ana se ode ntuma akrokra no. All because o crisis mu. Ebo wa otini baby o. Financial crisis costs be na maybe be much or to the baby and be friend of phone so. Yai me call Jomino be me who apa ne for me de majiba kwama wo nyam bra na otua majiba kwama wo damfo e ka no de abro no because onye wadwe se obeto sa de no a onua no se watama wo no be bold ofre wa osima mayi bia ntmaji bia ma misrew ya ayi we de matobi de kwada fafa de to nchen na ka kire no because the we financial crisis mu because one calculate a new budget mu a new plan mu all of a sudden unless you say e wo plan mu another brother so adomu at least we to cost kakra. But the new plan pa dia. Misrew. Cause my huni member bree. Minam for 4 po. Ebi wa no akwaje ba so and na meton mienu na meji ba ko ma ho. Hey, uji ba ko ma me. Uji ka na ma me. Inti misrew. Unless say one man onua ne so onye bibi ma ho. Menji. Trust me. Ekabisu it is caused by say adene fo. Enti se wo define adene by no fo no e kan wafa no. E so define adene by say mihia. Enye se e fo but emo mihia. Enti bi wo yakoto niema e fo but ye hia and na obebie yeyi mu a yedwuma mu a excess capacity na guo. Don't buy things because it is cheap. Buy because you need it. And then they pushing comfort to crisis, no. And then they pushing to crisis, no. Because we kept earning capacity and so debt servicing capacity, no. And today be no why ha. Inti oji ya sika. Na emrin besoa na honcha ba no akokodwo ho no akoji kodwo sika no de betua yaka na chiso da so dui kodwoka kodwo ba bedi na temsa no akokosia ho no akoja kosia bosia no de aba kodwo no de until most of the time ni nyina no or spending to look for loan to pay a loan na who look for loan to pay a loan na wa said any loan na what said inside your business? Na faso aba inte merna but matrance na oba dream business no ntumi because na ne say o pebusia betia obusia we me pebusia betia obusia inte bia na wakwantiu de bia no wano de bia na o spending time kika won sem chiro ebimu tubu hu at the end of the day no na o crisis mo inti crisis e wo mu nyina na bebre o ha ya na ekoso she be na ya na ekoso mumu bi anton come out both personal and business and our business that we pursue no so free say business no enterprise yen focus on the enterprise that chi bia na person limited liability company no akoye men ko rashi en rashi na en rashi na waka say wakusuo biasa the only call investing on so start limited liability company and no around it misum ko hibi obo say limited liability company never catch yourself per auditors for webra ye way no obo say na ehun hia okra no at the end of the day no be lose intina only fall back bia na business so there and a personal so there wo ye bibia no esese onya fall back wo nya fall back on betiro eno sa nintino say business now you so personal idea now you esese wo ye plan sometime budget ti wa ye ni hihye say every month this is what I intend to do. This is maybe a misika be free aba and maybe a misika be free ako. Ubo oye sa plan ni January, February up to union of shisheni na. So you be a we are usumwa say sorry nako and I say kremo nako and I say sample na ugua. We no abo mpaye techri. No starting the ujuma. So yeah budget na me catch ruby. Maybe san say na it is a we budget. So but na way also me dey see. Hey, Dabi. O budget no our year no o sa plan our year no for this year no. Your reference point is maybe ano maning obotum anan ben. Dey bia na hwe say my ya na no atiki. We mitumi ye na and we may na now take because plan na why no uto boss na ye plan no uto boss pa na de plan no and na focus na eboa timi nyin sinchen because we need plan into na we talk come on because we need plan into na ko high office will be an boarding because we need plan into na ko far a high purchase car time in suma because we need plan into na you office a free 1 bedroom office at the call abronsan koji floor ning na wa brasil se ba no so enso but o plan say year 1 say na me year 2 say na me year 3 satam na yenye skanti bitu akọ krokesium excuse me krokesium anas area kesium na yakoye djuma na move office no year 3 or year 4 ye base inti de bia no guidance men hwe obiasa cause we hwe obiasa and no bit me lead to crisis because unim the original so if you are sebio na wa inherit abusuan ajapade and no this can barber share business no no and also that share business no and so hu ye na the business no abaya unless so ye unkomodifo and I say wadamfo pa no obetumi achechirum so bra sikana me no adwuma me wofa na mane me aunt na medina de no me papa edi obi ade no me chefa so ni so nti ono no the method of funding no different from you nti wan hwe na ukohu say because can also buy into no ono asesa ne car na onim na osufi so we meaning na ne sate no start car na misum kogibia ebe high watching ubenya crisis no Emma unyu Emma unampo na wadwene. And one of the first things I say, oh yeah, so dada is to sit down, trusting. Na yam person kakra. E dem pa na ma me do baby me dream. E be na ma ba mu akira mu dada yi. Inti utumi admit it, utumi gitum. Say the reason why me work crisis I do na me okay. Na just say once I identify, there's no way ube call sadien humbium at the course here no ube call humbium. But ubi wa or crisis muno. No nya small bailout. No be a baba chenisika. Ana say ubi a man relief kakra bi no. Na ne we fee baby o free e dey cause crisis no. Because kiska kakra ba ne nsem bi ne we fee. To kudi time. Wo ense no ko sanko shembio. Ntumu hu obi na o crisis mu sa afi uns na sana no ya no osmesi ma 2000 say fashion juma mu no o se me de minimu na adwuma no kram de me hu so me hu obi de oye me na obi anyew obi ara anyew because when you crisis now obi be bail you out na one analyze what cost it in the first place and it no san come biom no intimisro ene no kire ya so wo mu analyze what cost it. At the same time, no, you want to avoid the analyze idea a bit more causes. So only more analyze idea a bit more causes. So we more analyze idea causes. In that way, no, you have control of idea a bit more push you. To Uding Shishaba bedroom was so obesa car with moon. Maybe obesa car in 3 years. And as 5 years. What did she ever bedroom was you best office furniture after every 2 years. She said, what she say? You be painting office after every 1 year. In 2 pa for such any more for 2. What the 2 are now a much safer, much better than say ube generalize it now what follow a month for no akoye na wayo. O your plan you are plan am chiro no. Na in a plan try and create BB a friend of notional course. Maybe oti ebusun fee into untua rent. Fashe we wadwene mu say ebusun no bejo rent. And as you rent. It is how your calculation na what is our rent amount in the shame. What the shame what tend to happen is say as monthly or quarterly size kind of shame na what the two emergency fund to be. Now the two emergency fund to be. Untubu one say what build the fund be watching. Ebu wa na afi no share dwumasi and as wa share dwuman spot ache inti company na oye no ni wofa ne ba ne uncle e ma na busuafie se onye business no inti untua hwempo se electricity crampo efa ono ne wofa no na etua nenu na want to anhwe ne ye na adebechi nopa na ofa man bia ba se se ofa nyini ti ofa kotren kura ti sada na odema no kura ese so tu because ye bebubu ho ana ye beton ade ana se minim crash man for build a crash man crash na gina obi na build ye gina ye obako ejina wie because oye wo bi fie Anchibia na if you are no a by say, Nina if you're rich about opposite or Ginny fee. And a ja. My miss, oh, what you fee may and then, and if I could opposite relocate crashing cover before area when you answer. So when I win crash, I didn't necessarily be uncle could be agrono. Na will be move crash the fee area. Aqua area. Because a new area now they call no crown colonio. And at the same parents no because our area on a ben or mono. Because almost fee ben ho and also much more ben in term don't money ban. Into relocating a bedding. In the one color 30. Now relocate ya when you color 2, 3. 4 and some stand chassis bill. Nano sano. One building emergency. Why you doing say maybe how you school say either say unebusia for no call agreement near the agreement apart from say ubitua rent no maybe ubakache some ka school no nti ekwan bia so no ometon asase na ma school no no monton ma so na che say school no be grow was ade no so he say negotiations na say we men yen negotiation say oh yeah school is after na machase inti kakrakra say kase dey be free ha e be kase but time will be free ho no wan hwa na mfofo no enni wachi mfanko sade no inti ade bia wo ye ni na no analyze ni ye sa correction kwa me kan wasem kra no time mo tu fi okra no ma me na na fi obochi ba no ja obe so be ye correction ni bo fi o so we need to convenience etu na be ye no na ye friend no happy home or ye no new happy home or the new resource or no no I just say wa fa ho didi free. It is because of the way I was structured. No one yes happy crisis number 2 because crisis is the power. Secondly or thirdly, men kojiji busia so bi ajibi into osu kojibi ene busia bia obaji for adwuma no ana for adwuma no titiri no esese nyina so ho maybe we busia dey expand the business no maybe assembly to business ni emergency ni niska quarantine nya bibi eno no apart from that there busia bia obaji fi bank bia no busia esese support to business no ye ko fa niam ba busia na ewu ye say expanding business busia na chance ye busia we say no then but anytime so obaji busia na emudu kakra no na we reduce mfaso no obacha ma ho no we reduce. I mean some take because of a critical power to anytime bia obaji busia a free third party ho e dia be hye adwuma no mu no se adwuma no nyam faso nko an dia se faso na edi wo to bit me yi edi basa busia no wo mu a reduce sika no an ka be yi edi no because unia na odna busia be hye no o ma una enti yo adwene se kwan bia so no se faso ne ba me accelerate time am de bitua ekano nti maybe kano yesitua no every quarter na sika ho nkwan dia turn every month men ka kire se na onia we so no po se akatua time no so ye until there so no an mam 3 months so ye dabi because debt se kan o business ho a hadwi inti se mfaso ne badia try as much as possible so be reduce our exposure no. The ideal thing to do is say avoid the crisis make a ton ade kakaba mbia maybe phone line no na bibi chiri wadwene obisamia na etumi eno di ehunkomo
I like this.
Hits 103.9 FM is back at it again and bringing artists closer to their fans. Yeah, Solo is here, and this time around is with Yapono in an unplugged performance with a Q&A session. Join the Uptown Energy star Yapono and the entire Hits FM crew for an electrifying evening at the Cockpit Lounge and Bar inside the Achewoto Mall on Friday, 29th March 2019 at 8 p.m. sharp. Rate is a cool 20 Ghana cedis. It's going to be a super lit experience you don't want to miss out. This event is powered by Hits 103.9 FM and sponsored by Bulgarian Wheat, Dr. Agawa Eye Hospital, Solo, up close and personal.
Master, Oluwa be the only
Se no mienu bo na oman yi mu atadi adentia efise obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM jumedie kese a yato ne din ekosi sen
on Asempa FM 94.7
ne amanyofo ebeka
na kufu ado akonya na dware na afata no efekwa keke na me hu ye ze se opposition se mo ya
omo nimbe bia ye gilo ndi ya di pa Ghana
ye di o ma yan kan na mo go the STS de buy
what's a free education I do about no ba ozin ba mo ne we so na eban etonyu lalubai baby kafu mo ma miete
ne etemamufo ebeka
misika nyina 30 cities me man 9 esi amere no ma hwenkola aban no to na auto petrol
ne nsentwofo ahwehwem de atodwa ne nyina kokosi sei Midirio Saibonsu, the Kamehone Mapamfo, the Mumfa Ekosi say Emrel, Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM so, a Juada Ekosi Efiada, no mienu Ekopim Nunsia Enefa, Ekosi say Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM so.
Asempa FM Health Walk. Saukai. Affiliate the fifth year. Your favorite musicians, actors, sports personalities, any stars I want one and nante. I am Asempa FM Walk with a star. A best social mind. Pastor Saturday, 6 April 2019. Yabesha Sia Multimedia Nimhaya. Kokomlemle Anopano Num. Anuntiki Fake Clubs. Supporters Union. Corporate organization. Any Aqua Auto. Mombrami and Chimo. Yabaya free screening and money 500. The Bedicaba. Asempa FM Walk with a star. Open Chimwa now. Person register. For 0540-106-467. You must was listening. Video money lending. Instant loan on your phone. No collateral. MyBet.Africa. Winning with ease. Nana Pani Heba. IRS Pani Rade. Asempa FM Health Walk. Our promoting it in the
Forget the Argentine at the baby. I made a many.
Se no mienu bo na oman yi mu atadi adentia efise obia etie Asempa 94.7 FM jumedie kese a yato ne din ekosi
sen on Asempa FM 94.7
ne amanyofo ebeka
na kufu ado akonya na dware na afata no efekwa keke na me hu ye ze se opposition se mo ya
omo nimbe bia ye gilo ndi ya di pa Ghana
ye di o ma yan kan na mo go the STS de buy
what's a free education I do about no ba ozin ba mo ne we so na eban etonyu lalubai baby kafu mo ma miete
ne etemamufo ebeka
misika nyina 30 cities me man 9 esi amere no ma hwenkola aban no to na auto petrol
ne nsentwofo ahwehwem de atodwa ne nyina kokosi sei Midirio Saibonsu, the Kamehone Mapamfo, the Mumfa Ekosi say Emrel, Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM so, a Juada Ekosi Efiada, no mienu Ekopim Nunsia Enefa, Ekosi say Ewa Sempa 94.7 FM so.
I like this.
Hits 103.9 FM is back at it again and bringing artists closer to their fans. Yeah, Solo is here, and this time around is with Yapono in an unplugged performance with a Q&A session. Join the Uptown Energy star Yapono and the entire Hits FM crew for an electrifying evening at the Cockpit Lounge and Bar inside the Achewoto Mall on Friday, 29th March 2019 at 8 p.m. sharp. Rate is a cool 20 Ghana cedis. It's going to be a super lit experience you don't want to miss out. This event is powered by Hits 103.9 FM and sponsored by Bulgarian Wheat, Dr. Agawa Eye Hospital, Solo, up close and personal.
Master. Oluwa be the only God. The difference we say I am born to
Kwawo! 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 Kwawo!
Nkontabuo krachi jumadie na wasugusu auti wa Asempa FM 94.7 na some remember phone lines no kakrantim baby 0302 216 545 and I say 0302 216 546 ti utimi fra neja utimi you anu ntimi telephone number maybe 0302 216 545 and now it says 0302 216 5. Hello.
Hello.
What do I know?
Yeah, Godwin Kaswa.
Godwin, meet you.
The question is say me get investment, but we so say it's me a bank at your age, but stop one kakra.
Say cash kakra on the faculty treasury bill because they say treasury bill rate to crack cost kakra.
Okay.
Inti treasury bill they are buying there. Inti bomodiana unya bank papa biya. Now they are fast no matter treasury bill na mau. Now to be anti omotono Fridays. Na by Monday no ma lot inti na say Friday ya bomodiana ukoba no kwa no affiliate forms no assign so to treasury bill. Yeah, 90 days, 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days. A dear ho. Why? Menasi. My telephone number near. My telephone number near. Hello.
Hello.
What do I knew?
Eja, me wait a minute, me dimbe take kakra.
Yo.
Mpacho ECG. Me light mo. Na light na me no na ejuma na eye na nye de bia na eye ejuma enti omo mo check bill no omo buy no ni owo ye area hono betu me meter no say meter no enwane enti no obetu de electronics one no ebe boho sisi a ama me so ha we bi pa sisi no ka ewo meter no so e doso me to me who say can me investigation kakra ma me ne ECG phone bi kasa was e bia na me de no a kan ni so no wa betu de akoma obi na waje bia kawo so no de abebo
na nipakro kan sa no oba assess ono oboni tum keke
obe cheki na me kire na ba ko no woni yende kawo so enti no obe cheki we na che se o hwe adwuma a ye de ye ne bill na e wo mita no so e doso
ene bomodia minia bomodia PDS for na ba se o ma take over ECG nti o call mo office ono na wako say kanino na utua let's say 100 cedis but say no utua 300 unti ase mi wara adwuma na oye no na oye nti obuko bo mama ne a ebe mo obi edi obuko ko buku customer complaint unit ye be mo obi edi wechi mo abobeye se na be ya ibehu sometimes obu wansa na uni earth so uni earth wo yinu mu etu ema o meter so run fast nti obetuma amandetisi mo good. Okay.
Omo background also because of senior assassin so we didn't ready be
but any bombardier knock from because maybe adjustment view or I say yeah. Right. You mean that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho why you?
Pacho your friend or lady meet me family din to
you don't worry.
Pacho Nyauka yina is like masem na woka. Na sese amama kashi. Intinu mi here advice. Is there any way ubetinya help me? Because my boss from me bibia obebia, but me the bank to cut.
Okay, me the number be to do Asempa pon na wafa number no 0263 with me be pon try there okay any try 0263
okay
009
009
330.
330.
Pacho.
That's the pa. Midi radio no to her and Nyawokan is like you were talking to me.
Oh.
Yeah, me sure me that.
You.
Bye.
Bye. Hello. Okay. Telephone number no 0302 216 545. And now it says 0302 216 546. Inti no can be so say avoid the crisis. Crisis able, but the way I'm from money ba send away with 918 team no and a bit to my recover and I recover fast. And admittedly, admit to we are uji to say me a mistake way ain't in a mania crisis we. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
I'm Nkontabuo any other prayer with ECG issue and campus and
Go ahead.
Mpachoni Nitano na initial number be
Me who because on your friend oh yeah, but me some uncle customer complaint section on uncle
okay, that's 8 years.
Okay.
On verify say serial number na old one and one and the other bona. Send a bay out between who quite a
correct.
And on a better say, as a son, as a society.
That's
it. It's a bay advices to all of us to say, yeah, Toby be an as you should be a one number beer. Yeah, more than a thrown to them.
Correct.
A Kobani say verification, who go pulling, I know who say we would be an answer.
Correct.
And you would be
correct. Oh, me that's a pass also what contribute to Nkontabuo programming. When you know far call no yeah no at least when your solution back so they are candidate home 0302 216 545 and now it's 0302 216 546 0302 216 545 and now it's 0302 216 546 inti say unye hello.
Hello.
But why new?
That's John.
John, it you.
Something now, Cano. In fact, a boy a movie. Now, maybe a house or one comes to say, find an over smart and I advise over smart.
Okay.
2016 September and I made school. Now made school no. Me started na bibi anime o. Na building bi wo ye area ona. Me ekọ ho ohina wo area na district chief executive. The omoma make sure letter by. No me so okay. Me enko renovate na me use. Say na Bibia ni building so na building na ye collapse awie. Say me renovation no awie no. Renovation no kwa me dress madam for bimu na obo mumbo me na me ye. Say me start school no. That was September 2016 and I'm here registration here Bibia started school. They say school no anyini me what 200 children.
Good.
Yes. Say mature 5 years ago. 5 years in the Druna, Yatima school. Yamia Dum Yatimato, 2 acres. They say, no, so any schedule, assemble no sooner community, no chief, no say, men found Colan into school. As I drink to the Emma. Me need the dear medium Colando. Master almost enka, Omama 1 year. Nanka, just. The crack nanka media started Edia Krebi nanka median Colanako.
Me pacho so when the Ministry of Education.
Yes, minimum.
Why involve more about a tuno?
My involvement in local district chief executive now or more than 2016. But school and one day, ma'am, for Vomo. Why? Because now me register in Ghana private schools.
I know, because the reason who educate in Kola, which is public, although when we see school privately, no. I think if you involve them, they can help negotiate with the chief and the assembly. Now, assembly for an individual, and how announce assembly morning and
or the community or more minimum competitive, not united, and or more for district chief executive and chief. And say the whole problem is region for Frabante, the Omunji building, a better man.
Oh, that be and the body.
So, somewhere America show no school no enough. Mekota kola 200 because of style of the channel and kola so they don't get access to come out in room. The entire and free medical screening mom.
Interesting.
Like for the past 1 week, Minama is like I'm getting crazy.
Oh, don't. The best bet is you involve maybe they know about to but involve the Ministry of Education for no get them involved. Why?
But we ain't got the just made us say, but Mr. because it's a Ghana education, they will like to take the school up. But there's no any alternative. I hear mess my person. This is true because. Minute that's why I don't know can start because now me here been a man say na me ba out am establish school.
Me dem know about to why. Me be guide why. No fears and don't go crazy. You will be well. Why? I do with the education the end I'm in friend agro. Why? You menacing. My number no cry is 0263 009 330. Eja ahana medumbesi. Your time cross. That's a ne. You baba abekan. Yankopon come on.